It's going to be helpful for you to practice how to carve with the tool and to try some different carving marks on a scrap piece of the soft cut block. Let's mark our block into 4 different sections, first with a pencil, using 2 lines, like this and this. And then, in one of the sections, make an S-shaped line. Go! Now let's get familiar with the carving tool. Look closely at the blade. You can see that one side of the hook at the end is sharpened. This is the side that goes into the block, so turn it towards the block. Some people hold the tool like this, grasping it with their hand that they write with, and then holding their finger, their pointer finger here, so they can press down. Other people hold the tool more like a pencil. Dig in with the sharp edge of the hook and pull it towards you. We're going to start with these 2 straight lines. Catch just enough of the block material to make a groove. Notice what works and what doesn't work. If you dig too deep, it will get stuck. Carve too lightly, you won't carve a groove at all. Carve the 2 lines, and then carve right on your S-shaped line. You'll need to turn the block as you go. Let's just practice that far. Go! Repetitive lines and textures work really well with block printing. In one section, carve 4 to 5 straight lines. Starting at the edge. Make them close together. 4, 5. Then turn the block and carve 4 to 5 more going the other direction. Some carvers call this cross-hatching. Go! Let's go back to our S and repeat that line. Make them right next to each other and just do that S shape over and over again. So basically what you have is a wavy line creating a texture. Go! In another section, make gouges, kind of like an adze would make gouges in wood. Lots of little short carving marks, kind of deep and short. Fill the space. It might remind you of raindrops or grass or carved wood. Make them close together, deep and short. You can also practice pulling off the extra little pieces of rubber that you've carved out that might kind of stick. Go! And in our last space, let's try carving a starburst by making a plus sign first and then going through it with an X. And make a little square. Turn it, turn it, and turn it. After you've made the square, carve out the inside of it. We're practicing What works? How can we make this tool work for us? How do we hold it? How hard do we push? What can we do and what can't we do when we're using the carving tool in our soft cut? Go.